MCQs of Chapter 1 Number Systems, which is here. So now first question from number system is every irrational number is a whole number, a natural number, real number. So बच्चों number is classified like this. Number is classified as real and imaginary, and then real is classified rational and irrational. Every irrational number, then now you can check it from here, it is irrational number. If you move, then it is every irrational number is a real number. So answer of this question is this. Now the second question, a real number between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So concept is whenever you want to find rational numbers between any two rational numbers, first you make both rational numbers with same denominator if denominators are not same. But here already denominators are same. Numerators are 3 and 4. Between 3 and 4 there is no integer. It means you can't get any rational number between them with denominator 5. So check option. In option, instead of 5, the another denominator is 10. So what you do, you make 10 as denominator of both numbers. So you have to multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So 4 by 5 is multiplied by 2. This is 8 by 10. Because remaining options are given with 10 as denominator. So see here, between 6 and 8, 7 by 10 is a rational number. So this is the answer of this question. Right. Now moving to third question. This is also similar to the previous one. Here we have to find a rational number between 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. They don't have same denominator. So first I will make same denominator. So 1 by 2 I will make denominator as 4. So multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So it is 2 by 4 and the second number is 3 by 4. Now see, between 2 and 3 there is no integer. So we are not going to get another rational number. So see the option. Here denominator is 5, 8, 4. So already we have 4. 3 we can't make it 3. 8 we can make. Because we have denominator 4, you can't make it 3, you can't make it 5, only you can make it 8. So again divide by 2, multiplied by 2, so 4 by 8, and here multiply numerator and denominator by 2, so it is 6 by 8. Between 4 and 6, the number is 5 by 8, so this is the correct answer. Now I am moving to the next one. Which of the following is an irrational number? बच्चों irrational numbers we can identify in two different forms. One decimal form. So the numbers are given in decimal form. So non-terminating, non-repeating decimals are irrational. But if they are given in radical form, radical means square root. So you try to find the square root of the given number if it is equal to whole number or exactly it is equal to terminating decimal. So see, square root 4. Square root 4 equal to 2. 3 is square root 8. So this can be written as 3. Factorize 8. 2 into 2 into 2. This pair is completed. So 3 into 2, this is 2. And 1, 2 will be inside. So here you are not going to get a square root of the given number as a whole number or a exact non-terminating decimal. So this number is irrational. So we got the answer. So no need to check the remaining bits, remaining choices. Now we have to write this number in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. So already I told you in class, you just suppose it 0.666 and only one digit is repeating. So multiply it by 10. So you will get 10x equal to, when you multiply it by 10, decimal will move one place to the right side. So it is 6.66. But I told you that in this multiplication, what you do, because there are infinitely many digits, so after the decimal, actually out of infinitely, in first equation we wrote three digits. That's why you also write three digits in the second equation. So this is second equation. Now first minus second, so it is 10x equal to 6.666 dot 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 and x equal to 0.666. Now subtract it. 10x minus x, that is 9x, and if you subtract this, it is 0, it is 0, it is 0, so 6.0. After that I am writing here, so x equal to 6 by 9, and now simplify it. 3 2 the 3 3 the, so decimal, this given decimal number equal to 2 by 3, that is in the form of p by q. Now next question. See this question, very easy question. Square root 5 plus square root 2, square root 5 minus square root 2. This is exactly looking in this form, a square minus b square. That is question is given in this form, a plus b, a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. If you compare it, so you will find that a is square root 5 and b is 2. So substitute this value, square root 5 whole square minus 2 square. Square root 5 whole square, this is equal to square root 5 into square root 5, and this is equal to square root 25. So its square root is 5. So it is 5 minus 4, square of 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. So options are not given. That should be 1. So suppose you also change it, but I'm sorry, it is not a 2, it is square root 2. So square root 2 will be 2, because square root 2, if you find in the similar way, so square root 4 equal to 2, answer is 3. So C bit is the correct answer. Now bachcho, this one, square root 5 minus square root 3 is rational or irrational or square number? None of this. See, remember it, this combination, rational plus minus irrational is equal to irrational. Rational into irrational equal to irrational, but r should not be equal to 0. Means rational numbers should not be equal to 0. And rational divided by irrational, or irrational divided by rational equal to irrational, but here also r should not be equal to 0 in all these cases. So here see, square root 5 minus 3, square root 5 is irrational and it is rational, so this difference will be irrational. Now see bachcho, the number this is, so see here, 2 1 1 2 1 1 1 2 1 1 1 1. So it is a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. Non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. This bit is the correct answer. Now the next one, m power n. See, m power n equal to 32. So left side is exponential form. This is exponential form. So if one side is exponential form and you want to solve it, so convert the second side also in exponential form. So 32 will be 2 power 5 and m power n. If you compare it, So n equal to 5 and m equal to 2. N equal to 5, n equal to 5 and m equal to 2. Now they told find this value n power m into n. So this is n means 5 power 2 into 5, that is equal to 5 power 10. So C bit is the correct answer. So in MCQs, don't think MCQs are very simple. Without simplification, without applying concept, you can't get answer. So don't do MCQ just by ticking. First you work out and then get answer. Now the next one, pi is that already you know pi is an irrational number. Now question number 11, rationalizing factor of denominator. So 7 minus root 5 and 7 plus root 5. So rationalizing factor of denominator, that is denominator is 7 plus root 5 will be 7 minus root 5. So what is the rationalizing factor? Denominator is irrational number because see 7 is rational and root 5 is irrational. So 7 rational plus irrational is irrational. Rationalizing factor is a number which multiply this denominator to make it rational. So see how answer we got it, that is 7 minus this, but I want to tell you why it is a rationalizing factor. So multiply denominator by this. So it is a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. 7 square is 49, root 5 square is 5. So see, it is 42. Denominator becomes 42 and it is a rational number. So that's why 7 minus root 5 is a rationalizing factor. Rationalizing factor is a number which multiply that number to make it rational. That's why it is known as rationalizing factor. Now we have to do next question. The value of this bachcho. Question is 64 power. This symbol means power. Minus 3 by 2. So factorize this. 64 to 32 to 16 to 8 to 4 to 2 to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 2 power 6 whole power minus 3 by 2. We are going to use this law of exponent. So a power m into n. So after that, here we can write 2 power 6 into minus 3 by 2. So 2 3s are. So this is 2 power minus 9. Whenever exponent is negative, you change the place from numerator to denominator or denominator to numerator. It is in numerator. So when you change it in denominator, sign of power will change. So that is 2 power 9. So 2 power 9 it will be 512. So 1 by 512 is the answer. So C bit is the answer. Now next question. Next question is decimal expansion of a rational number is terminating if in its denominator there is 2 and 5. So this one answer. Now the next question. If we add two irrational number, if you add two irrational number, the answer will be irrational. Is always an irrational. Correct. First bit is a correct answer. The value of n, actually they want this value is square root n. Square root n bachcho, for which value it will be rational. Be rational. If you write 2, Square root 2 is not rational. If you write 4, square root 4 equal to 2, it is rational. So this is the answer. Here, rationalizing factor of denominator. So denominator is this. So already I discussed one question. Here just you have to write square root 3 minus 2. This. Now next question. The product of two irrational number. Both numbers are irrational, so their product will be sometime rational, sometime irrational. Product of, suppose if square root 2 into square root 2, this is equal to square root 4 and this is equal to 2. So it is rational. Similarly, square root 3 into square root, sometime rational and sometime irrational. Now question number 18. Which of the following is not rational? The square root 4 equal to 2, it is rational. Square root 16 equal to 4, it is rational. This is also rational. And square root 2, it is not equal to whole number, not equal to integer, you can write, not equal to integer. Therefore irrational. So this is the answer. Next question 19. 9 power, this is a symbol of power, 3 by 2. So factorize 9, 3 square whole power 3 by 2. Law of exponent, already we used in the previous question. We multiply these two exponent, 2 to cancel, and 3 cube, that is equal to 27. So this is the answer of question number 19.